You've probably heard about Pi Network, maybe from a friend or online buzz. It's a digital currency project aiming to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just techies or investors. The twist? You mine Pi coins on your smartphone without draining your battery. This simple idea has attracted millions worldwide, all hoping their digital coins will one day have real value. But Pi isn't just about collecting coins. It's about joining a movement that could change how we use money. Created by a Stanford team, Pi was designed to be user-friendly and energy efficient, unlike Bitcoin's complex mining. Millions of pioneers check in daily, earning Pi and waiting for the network's full launch. The big buzz now? Migration. Migration is when users move their earned Pi from a test system to a live blockchain, making the coins truly theirs. Each migration brings Pi closer to its goal, an open mainnet where Pi could be traded or used for purchases. Every update is closely watched by the community. As of April 2026, Pi Network is at a critical point, moving through key migration phases. The community is buzzing with questions. What's next? How do you get ready? What's the future? In this video, we'll break down the latest updates, progress, and challenges. We'll show you where Pi Network stands today and where it might be headed. Whether you're a long-time pioneer or just curious, you'll get a clear picture of this ambitious project's journey. Let's dive in and see what's really happening with Pi Network. Ready? Let's get started. Here's what you need to know. So what does migration mean for a Pi user? Think of it like turning your in-game tokens into real money you can actually spend. Migration is the process of moving your mined Pi from the app to the mainnet, the live public blockchain. The Pi network is doing this in careful stages to ensure security and stability. The first migration phase moved millions of coins for early users, proving the system works. Now, the second phase is underway, inviting more pioneers to migrate. This phased approach prevents chaos and lets developers fix issues as they arise. For users, patience is key. Your turn depends on when you joined and if you've completed all steps. Once your Pi is on the mainnet, you truly own it and can transact with others. This is the shift from a closed system to a real decentralized blockchain. Migration is what transforms Pi from a social experiment into a potential financial ecosystem. It's the moment Pi becomes a real cryptocurrency, and it's happening right now. With the second migration underway, all eyes are on the upcoming third migration. This next phase is expected to be the largest yet, moving millions more users to the mainnet. While there's no official start date, technical upgrades and security checks are in progress. Eligibility for migration depends on completing a checklist of tasks. Active participation is required. The core team is focused on making sure the network can handle the increased activity. The third migration will be a major test of scalability and performance. For many, it's the long-awaited chance to see their Pi become a real asset. The community is buzzing with speculation, but official updates come through the Pi app. Successful migration will show the world that Pi is more than just an idea. It's a functioning blockchain. The third migration is a crucial step toward opening the network to the world. It's not just technical, it's the gateway to Pi's full potential. Want to be ready for migration? Start with the mainnet checklist in the Pi app. Completing every step is essential. No checklist, no migration. One key step. Set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, on your Pi wallet for extra security. 2FA links your wallet to an authenticator app, protecting your funds. Next, complete the Know Your Customer, KYC process. Identity verification is mandatory. Submit your documents through the Pi browser and wait for approval. KYC is a major hurdle, but it's required for migration. Confirm your wallet address, This is where your Pi will go, so double-check it. Save your wallet passphrase somewhere safe, lose it, and you lose access forever. The Pi team can't recover lost passphrases. Finish the checklist, set up 2FA, complete KYC, and confirm your wallet. These steps are your ticket to the next migration. Don't wait. Get ready now. The KYC process is massive. Millions of users, global scale. To speed things up, Pi lets KYC-approved users become validators, checking others' documents for Pi rewards. Recently, the first batch of Validator rewards was distributed. Over 1 million validators completed 526 million tasks. This shows the power of community-driven growth. But not everyone is happy. Some validators say they haven't received their rewards despite months of work. Frustration is growing, with complaints flooding social media and forums. The core team hasn't issued a detailed statement yet, leaving some contributors feeling overlooked. Transparent communication is crucial for trust. The Pi network must address these concerns to keep its community engaged. Recognizing every contributor is key to maintaining momentum. The Validator system is innovative, but it needs to work for everyone. Resolving these issues will be vital for Pi's future. While migration gets the spotlight, Pi's ecosystem is quietly booming. The ecosystem is the collection of apps and services built on the Pi blockchain. Think of it as Pi's own app store. For Pi to have real value, people need ways to use it. As of April 2026, over 23,000 developers are building on Pi using Pi Studio. More than 210 live apps are already available in the Pi browser, covering gaming, social, education, and more. This marks a shift from just building the network to creating real-world utility. The crypto world is moving beyond hype. Real use cases matter now. Pi's strategy is to foster a strong ecosystem before the mainnet fully opens. The goal: give pioneers ways to spend and earn Pi from day one. Developers are encouraged to launch apps ready for live transactions. When you can use Pi for games, purchases, or courses, it becomes a true currency. This growing universe of apps is what will give Pi staying power. Utility is the key to adoption. Behind the scenes, Pi's technical team is upgrading the blockchain's core protocol. These upgrades are crucial for security, speed, and scalability. Think of it as renovating the foundation before moving in. Recent months saw major updates: version 19.6, 19.9, and the significant 20.2, which prepares for smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements, essential for advanced apps and a decentralized economy. The pace of upgrades is aggressive, with version 21 scheduled for early April 2026. These aren't minor tweaks. They're preparing Pi for the pressure of an open network. Scalability is a big focus. The network must handle millions of transactions smoothly. Continuous improvements show commitment to a robust, future-proof platform. While many focus on Pi's price or exchange listing, the real value is being built in the code. A secure, scalable protocol is the foundation for everything else. Without it, even the best apps and biggest community wouldn't last. These upgrades are Pi's most important progress right now. Despite progress, frustrations run high in the Pi community. Years of development and daily mining have some pioneers growing impatient. The biggest question: when will Pi be listed on exchanges? The core team says this will only happen after the mainnet is stable and mature. The lack of a clear timeline fuels speculation and disappointment. Security and scalability remain major challenges as the ecosystem grows. The team must protect user funds and ensure the network can handle millions of transactions. Technical hurdles take time, adding to the sense of delay. Balancing community expectations with careful development is tough. honest, clear communication is essential to maintain trust. Acknowledging frustrations while explaining the deliberate pace helps keep the community engaged. So, where does this leave Pi's millions of pioneers? There's real progress, migrations, new apps, and constant tech upgrades. But community frustrations, delays, KYC issues, and waiting for open mainnet are real too. The project's success depends on daily engagement and tangible results. For users, the path is clear. Complete your checklist, secure your wallet, and finish KYC. Stay informed through official channels to avoid rumors. Pi is a marathon, not a sprint. Being prepared is key. April 2026 is a story of balanced rapid ecosystem growth versus careful, secure development. The third migration will be another major milestone. Whether Pi achieves its grand vision remains to be seen. But its commitment to a user-focused, utility-driven cryptocurrency makes it one of the most interesting projects in crypto today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates on Pi Network's journey. Until next time, keep pioneering.